babi Congo Australie biso nyonso to s'abonner pour ngasi na s'abonner yo zani
pour qualifier na CAN eza bien pour na biso match ça va payer. Oui, je suis content. Oh, I'm happy that we've qualified for the African Nations Cup, you know, with the quality and the players that we have. You know, it would have been really sad if we didn't, but we did. We know the history, you know. I think the last time the CAN was in Egypt, Congo won or something like this. This is what the president said, I think. So, you know, it was an obligation to be there. Now that we're there, we can think about something, you know, and we can try our best to do something positive for the country. Obviously, the last time I played CAN, I finished third, you know, and had a medal. So my hope is, you know, to go another step further. So another step further is in the final. And I'm not going to put pressure on the team, but you know, we have the quality and the players to do that. Oh, bana Kimbote, merci pour na soutien. Na kanti to sala des bonnes choses na Egypte. To yebi histoire ya biso na Egypte, so to make ko répéter.
Bana partout, bana mokili mobimba, bana Congo, RDC, babi biso nyonso to s'abonner massivement. Massivement, tant massivement. So, on est là, c'est que na mamba sérieux. Na pas sérieux, ate na kana ngati. Babi Congo Australie. Biso nyonso to s'abonner. Pour ngasi na s'abonner. Yo zani. Parce que on est là, on ba interview na o mona na kati wana. Yaka to s'abonner massivement. Na invité bino so ba bolinga sur pechanga. Ba bolinga lule Léandre. Ba bolinga alte swana. Bo ya to s'abonner massivement na Congo Australie. Yi moko Nancy Tulevo. Babi Nancy Tulevo film moko bien, moi c'est moko bien, moi c'est mon maïle, moi c'est mon makasi. Femme battante, femme pas netika yosi azala. Voilà tout s'abonner très massivement. Ngailleurs s'il na s'abonner bon yo zani. Yako s'abonner. Ça biso ka bien.